What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Let's begin in the center of a page and draw a small circle for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now from the bottom of the nose we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. Starting back on the left, put this across, and then up. And then we'll open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down and up. Let's add the tongue with a curve in the middle, and we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now we want to surround the mouth with the edge of the muzzle. Starting from the left side of the nose, we're going to come all the way around, come in towards the middle, go all the way up on the right side, and then back in towards the nose. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the eyelid. Let's start from the outside of the nose and bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right side. I'm just going to round up the eye, come down, and then back in towards a point. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So I'm going to start from the top of the eyelid, round this out, and then come in. And then along the top, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight on the top of each eye. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, go this down. I'm just going to pull this in behind the muzzle, continue on the right, going out and then up towards the side of the eye. Let's work our way up towards the horns. Starting back on left, we go up, bend this into right about there. Now add two curves to the socket of the horns. We're going to come down and up like a half circle. Close off the center of the head with a slight curve. Now I'm going to place the horns inside that socket. So we'll connect these 2 points with a half oval. We're going to go up and then back down. Let's add in the ears. Just on the outside of the horn, then the ear going up, out. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come down the side, and then back in. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the left side of the neck, just underneath the chin, bend this down, and then over. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the front of the leg. Come down and out. Now I want to create an overlap. We're going to step back, bend this down, and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom. Now from here, it's going to curve the back of the leg, going up, and then in. Let's draw the outside of the neck. We're going to start underneath the head, come down, round out the body, and go in behind the front leg. Now I'll take that same leg and draw it in behind. So we're going to start at the bottom, coming down, round out the base of the leg, and then just bend this back up towards the body. On the left side of the neck, we're going to curve the back, going up, round this out, and just bend that back in. And we'll curve the back of the leg. We're going to step back, going out and then down towards the bottom. Round this out. And we'll just bend this back up in behind. Now you see the back leg in behind the body. Come down and round that out. Let's separate the bottom of the hoof with a curve across the bottom of each leg. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside. And I'll add the tail across the back. Let's start from the top. We're going to bend this up and out, and just curl that up towards the tip. I'm just going to add a little bit of fur across the bottom. Bend this down and in. It's at a point. Going out and back in towards the body. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and fill the inside of each horn. Let's add some patches across the body, starting underneath the chin, starting on the left, come down, round this out, and just pull that up on the right side. Let's add a patch coming up from the belly, starting from the inside, come up, round this out, and then come down. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the tail, starting from the tip, coming in towards the body. And I'm going to add 3 small spots along the back side. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different Christmas characters just like this one. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.